To reverse a linked list, you need to create three nodes. The first node will be the current node, which will have the initial value of head. The next node will be called the priv node actually, which will store the previous node's value, which will initially be null. And the third node will be actually the next node, which is also null initially. So we have three pointers. Now we will iterate while using current. So while current is not equals to null, what I want to do is I will store the value of next node initially. So the next node is obviously the next node of current. So current points to next equals to next node. Next node equals to current points to next. Now what I want to do is the current node should point to the previous node. That's how we are reversing it. So what I'll do is currents next equals to previous node. Now initially the previous node is null, but initially the current value is also head, and head's previous is obviously null. So this is correct. Now the previous node is equals to current, because once we move to the second node, the previous node will be last iteration's current. So that is correct. And what I'll do is basically I'll write current equals to next node. So we can iterate forward. And now in the end, all I have to do is return the previous node, because in the end of the iteration, the current will be equals to null and previous node will be the final node. I just have to return the previous node and this should work. Right, so it works. So that's how you reverse a linked list.